Hi, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajan Pillai. I am part of TCS heading the Global Agile Computing team. Today, we'll talk about the trends in the industry and how we as CBO, TCS Cognitive Business Operations, are addressing that challenges for our customer in partnership with HPE. Some of the trends, Gartner's prediction is 50% of enterprise data will be created outside of the data center or cloud. 90% of enterprises will have automation architect as one of the key roles. We feel as TCS that would be 100% of our customers. IDC predicts that sustainability would be a board level topic, and we definitely agree to that and are working in that direction to help our customers. From the challenges perspective, delay in delivering business outcomes due to lower agility or no agility is one of the key challenges. Erosion of brand reputation due to IT outages or IT unavailability is another key challenge. And then scalability, higher cost, complexity of their infrastructure is another challenge which customers face. So to talk about TCS and HP partnership, we have a 35 plus years of strong partnership. We have a 360-degree partnership where TCS also services HP as a customer, as well as TCS uses HP system, server, storage for our global cloud solutions, which we deliver for our customers. So TCS is a top premier past partner, and we have 20 plus joint go-to-market solutions, which we'll cover. So moving on to cover about cognitive business operations as well as Cognix. TCS 3 years back had brought in IT, business process and infrastructure services together, and bringing this integrated solution delivered a lot of value to our customers. We have over a period of 3 years delivered 20 billion plus business value, which is a signed off number for our customers. Taking this journey further, today digital transformation is a key focus area for customers, and they want to be on this journey faster. And customers who have adopted digital transformation survived and also thrived. Some of the customers thrived in the current pandemic situation. So what is Cognix? Cognix is a pre-built ecosystem of pre-built solutions from TCS as well as partners like HPE. It has AI solutions, it has pre-built accelerators, it has methodology, it has frameworks, which are pre-built for the customers. Depending on the customer's strategic initiative or a problem at our hand, TCS is able to put together appropriate solution to solve the customer's immediate needs. TCS also has maturity models and benchmarks the customer's maturity to its peers. And depending on the gaps in the maturity, it can bring in the right Cognix solutions to address those gaps. Moving on, TCS from an agile infrastructure perspective, what we deliver and how we deliver. A2R is our framework, which is agile, autonomous, and resiliency. From a business performance perspective, we have delivered consistent season performance for our retail customers as well as multiple other verticals. This is done through infrastructure as code, DevOps, containers, private cloud, or operating model transformation. From an autonomous perspective, autonomous IT platform is our future platform. Today, we have Cognix platform, which delivers business operations efficiently for our customers. And resiliency is a key area of focus for our customers. As customers move on the IT digital transformation journey, any outage to IT is a direct business outage and business loss. That's where our solutions from DR automation or optimization or chaos engineering principles, SREs and design principles and heart of few of the frameworks for peak season performance delivers better resiliency for our customers. Overall, how we take it to the customers, we deliver it through run operations, we deliver it through optimized solutions or growth and transformation solutions. From the run perspective of Cognix platform and digital data center operations. From the optimized, we have operating model transformation, MFDM, and modernize the IT solutions. From the growth and transformation perspective, we have edge solutions, which can give transformative solution and different business model transformations for the customer. Overall, the solution looks at increasing the agility from 70% and higher, reduce the overall TCO for customers, improve the availability for 99% and higher, and reduce the noise, and sustainability as one of the key focus area. While we migrate or do consolidation or modernize the IT solutions for the customer, we are able to measure the carbon footprint reduction for our customers and show that to the key stakeholders. From joint solution perspective, again, there are 50 plus solutions. I'll just focus on few of them. TCS Cognix is our integrated operations platform, which does operations across IT, business process, and infrastructure solutions. Prime is a service factory, which looks at transformation engine. Today, customers are looking at transformation and transition at the same time. So Prime helps enable zero-day transformation. Intelligent Edge, with HP Aruba and HP Edgeline solutions, we have done retail transformation for the customer, which is modernizing the stores, or for manufacturing, we have modernized the entire QA process, which reduces from days to hours. As well as we are partnered with HP on storage modernization, VDI service, or TCS Blank solution runs on HP Superdome. To take it, summarize this, how we deliver value to the customer, I'll talk about a case study from a leading car manufacturer. So the challenge for the customer was move out of the existing incumbent, reduce the SLAs, and better the overall optimize the IT cost. And this was to be met within stringent timelines. So we partnered with HP on their HP Synergy, Primavera, and also Commvault as a backup partner. We looked at VMware, StoreOne, and HP Superdome Flex for the different solutions in the environment. This was delivered to the customer like a cloud on-premise with HP Financial and GreenLake services, where the customer was able to get the cloud-like agility and the consumption model of cloud on-premise. Overall, this helps customer jointly deliver operations cost reduction of 30% and 35% and higher. The IT complexity, reducing the legacy and modernize into new environment, simplified the operations and reduced the IT complexity. Overall, it improved their agility from to deliver better services to business from a 75% and higher. Overall, this is what I wanted to cover, and looking forward to engaging with you better. Thanks a lot.